560 watt winch, that's our power. Can lift a car 5.2 meters, that's our distance, in 37 seconds. What must be the mass of the car? 1 horsepower. I don't think we use that. Okay, I think we're solving for mass. We're lifting. So if we're lifting, our force is going to be mg eventually, but I think that we do that last. Okay, so we've got power and time. No, we don't. We have power and time, so we can figure out work. Right? So the first thing we'll do is power is work over time. Work is power times time. So work is, what's our power? 560 watts times 37. That is multiplication. I'm getting 20,720 joules of work. Okay, let's see. Okay, now we've got work and distance, we can find force. Let's do that. Okay, and we'll use this guy, right? So F is mg, so 20, oh no, not yet. Oh, work is Fs. That's what we have to use. Work is Fs. So 20,720 is equal to force times, and our distance is 5.2. Thought I had it, but I didn't. Okay, so I'm working using this formula. This is my work. This is my displacement, right? I'm going to solve for F. So I'm going to divide, I guess I divide by 5.2. So divide by 5.2, because that number was already in my calculator. And now I've got that the force is equal to 3,984.6 newtons. Not quite done yet. Now I get to use this formula, right? So F equals mg. So therefore 3,984.6 something, right, equals m times 9.81. All right, must divide by 9.81. 406. 406.17 kilograms. So that answer is not quite right. Yeah, there we go.